Dublin in my tears. Some of the people that we don't know how lucky we are do we see people that's in wheelchairs, you know, we really don't. And see them smiling is fantastic, and singing along with you and taking that little worry off just for a minute. And I'm just going to do Dublin in my tears. It's in G. I have traveled many rounds, and I still can't understand how sad you have become of my return. Your heart is sad and old, they left you there. Your once bright eyes with sadness soft burn. I can't even sense the change in the sound of children's screams. And you, your ambitions, they've all turned to fear. It's an age of well-nigh told, but I leave you alone as I recall all the men I let you. There were times when justice and hungry days new. Some days so bad, their memories I still press. On the prayers I sat to God, on board that Princess Love, that our children would restore the pride we lost. Now the past we all forsake, standing at her wake. The heart of Dublin is dying, and no one seems to care. And the fools as they pass by, should they not see just all and I can't forget old Dublin in my tears. And now your numbers may be few. Let's be one toast before we cross the I recall how I became no more a stranger than hitherto. Now the liberty it flows along, and I listen to her sound, and the voice of young James laughing, it echoes in my ear. Is it just the laughter sound, or a sign that I do well? I can't forget old Dublin in my tears. I can't forget